Hi, so today I want to talk about backchaining or backwards buildup. And this video is for both teachers and learners. This is something you can use with your students if you're a teacher, or you can use on your own if you're a learner. And this can be used with words, phrases, or sentences to help you or your learners improve pronunciation. So normally when we work on pronunciation, we practice the words, phrases, or sentences going forward. So number one, we would just say electricity, electricity. Two, movie theater, movie theater, movie theater. And three, George wants to see a movie on Saturday with his friends. And we can break it down. George wants. George wants to see. George wants to see a movie. George wants to see a movie on Saturday. George wants to see a movie on Saturday with his friends. You can do sentences either word by word or broken down into phrases. But the problem with practicing going forwards is that the stress isn't necessarily accurate when you do so. So the purpose of backchaining or backwards buildup is to help learners practice pronunciation with proper stress and intonation. So if you look here, there's some information on backchaining on the British Council site. It says it's a drilling technique intended to help learners pronounce difficult sound groups, words, or phrases. Okay, and you can read the rest on your own. And here we have another site describing backchaining. It says this makes natural stress easier. And then on this site, it talks about backchaining for general education purposes, not just English language teaching. And here it's called backward buildup. All right. And so let's go back here and practice a little bit. So it would look like this. Electricity. So you say the word. If you're a teacher, your learners listen and repeat, or if you're doing it on your own, you can just do this on your own. So electricity, T, city, tricity, electricity, electricity. So the teacher says it that way, and the learners listen and repeat, or you can do it on your own if you're a learner not working with a teacher. 2, movie theater, theater, movie theater. 3, George wants to see a movie on Saturday with his friends. Friends, his friends, with his friends. Saturday with his friends. On Saturday with his friends. Movie on Saturday with his friends. A movie on Saturday with his friends. See a movie on Saturday with his friends. To see a movie on Saturday with his friends. Wants to see a movie on Saturday with his friends. George wants to see a movie on Saturday with his friends. All right. And of course, you can talk about the pronunciation of different phonemes and different types of connected speech. You can break this down even more. I hope that gives you a good idea of how to do this technique with your learners or on your own. If you haven't tried it out, give it a try and let me know how it works. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.